Hi, and thank you so much for clicking on my review video. Today, I'm reviewing the DeLonghi Stilosa manual espresso machine. It's one that we've used in my household for several years, and it's changed over the time. The first one we had was all chrome. This one obviously is chrome and black, and it looks really nice on any countertop in any kitchen. So I'm going to take you quickly through it, but if you stick to the end, I have a demonstration of it in the process of making a cup of coffee. So stick to the end. So quickly, you have the reservoir back here where you put your water. You also have additional storage for your coffee cups. You have singles. These happen to be singles, and I already have the double inside the wand. All you do is simply fill it up with water, put your coffee inside your wand, tamp it down. I like to use the heavier one that is an accessory. It doesn't come with it, but it tamps it down as well. This is available on Amazon. You should see it in my store. Now, the wand is fitted in the top of the dispenser, like so. Turn it on. When it heats up, you'll see the lights come on. You'll see this in my demonstration. You pour your coffee. Once your coffee is poured, you move the wand or the dial over to steamer, and then this light will go out. This green light will go out, and once it's green again, you're able to steam your milk or froth your milk with the wand on this side here. Now, once you have the froth, you pour it, you deliver it to whoever you're making it for. If you make it for yourself, sit down and enjoy. I hope this has helped you decide on which coffee maker is best for your kitchen. I'm all in on this one. I've had others that were more expensive, but this one for the price absolutely delivers. Thank you again for attending my review of the DeLonghi Stilosa manual espresso machine, and I hope you have a great day.